Thank you for visiting Samurai Cooking Channel. I'm not a professional cook, but as a Japanese dad, I cook every day. So I will introduce the dishes that are eaten at home in Japan. Thank you. Today I would like to introduce you to Japanese omelets. Japanese omelets are made by rolling eggs. In Japan, it is often made at home, and there are many homes that put it in a lunchbox. The ingredients are 4 eggs, 50 grams cheese, 4 pieces of ham, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of sweet sake called Mirin, 1 teaspoon of sake, a sprinkling of salt. Ham and cheese are my home original, and in many homes only eggs. First, insert all the eggs. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar there. Add 1 teaspoon of sweet sake. Add 1 teaspoon of sake. Next, prepare a piece of kitchen paper soaked in oil. This will be grabbed with chopsticks and used many times later, so please fold it so that it is easy to grab. In Japan, we often use a square frying pan to make omelet. If you don't have one, you can use a round frying pan. Turn on the heat and apply the oil once. When the frying pan is warm, pour enough eggs into the frying pan to spread it thinly. If you have too many eggs, replace the extra ones. Fold the egg back about 1/3 from the back. It's easy to lift the back of the frying pan toward you instead of folding it back with just chopsticks. Return 1/3 to the front again. Move the egg to the back of the frying pan. Apply oil to the vacant part in the foreground. Pour the same amount of eggs into it, and make a gap under the eggs in the back. By doing this, the eggs will roll. Put the cheese on the front. As before, fold it back about 1/3 from the back. Put the ham in the last roll and roll it. Let's roll it while arranging it so that it is as square as possible. It was a little burnt, but the Japanese omelette is complete.